Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Life as Pusha Maseko. If you're a new subscriber here we discuss everything beauty, lifestyle, business, hauls, and more. If you are a returning subscriber, I hope Betty. Welcome, and thank you so much for coming back. And I'm just gonna share a few tips and tricks on how to take care of your skin this winter, now that we are in autumn and approaching winter. I'm just here to share some tips and tricks on how to better care for your skin, so please stay tuned. Okay, so our skin is becoming flaky, dry, and irritated if your skin is sensitive, and more painful if you have sensitive skin. This winter, you're gonna have glowing skin just from my tips and tricks. And I don't know if you have noticed, but our skin becomes more dull in complexion, and we don't have that glow, so I'm just gonna share some information with you on how to get that glow even in winter. So the first thing that you can do is just not just, but what you can do this winter, you can start with a hydrating cleanser. You can opt for an you can opt for a hydrating you can opt for an English. You can opt for a hydrating cleanser followed by a hydrating toner or serum, or both. And you can go with a moisturizer that is a bit denser, richer, creamier than a moisturizer that you would use in summer, that is very lightweight and feels cool on your face. So this time, now that we're approaching winter, you can use a creamier, a thicker, a richer skin cream. And if still you're not satisfied and still feel like it's dry, you can just go in with a bit of oil, but just be careful not to clog your pores, right? And do not forget sunscreen, please. Sunscreen, because the sun is still there. Apply your sunscreen. I'll just show a sunscreen that I use now. Maybe this one or this one, I don't know. Yeah, because I no longer use every sunscreen for my, okay, let me just tell you why I changed. I don't know if they changed the formula, but I was starting to become allergic to the sunscreen. Every time I would apply the sunscreen, I would have a rash all over my face and my eyes would become red. So I'm now using Nivea SPF. Moving to the next, you can look for products that contain hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and glycerin. Look for products that have those kind of ingredients, and you can seal everything with an oil, or maybe seal everything with a sunscreen that is waterproof, just to prevent the moisture from leaving your skin. But I do guarantee you that hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and glycerin does lock in moisture. So as much as we try to, or we are going to try to hydrate our skin, since it will be becoming flaky, dry, and irritated, we just need to be careful not to clog our pores. Let me see the other one. Oh, okay. I just have my book here, so I'm just looking from it. I wrote some few pointers down so that I don't forget any information. You can just exfoliate. Again, I always preach about sunscreen and exfoliation. Okay, you can just exfoliate to avoid dead skin building up on your skin. I'm not only talking about your face, but on your body too. Please do exfoliate so that you don't have a dull complexion. Remember earlier on I mentioned a dull remember I mentioned a dull complexion. Yes, that is caused by not exfoliating enough. But in summer, remember, we sweat a lot. So if you have watched my previous videos, you would know that I do advise for people to exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week depending on their skin tone. Just continue with that, okay? If you have dry skin, once or twice. If you have oily skin, 2 to 3 times a week. Lastly, don't be worried if you do break out. That's normal because we're now getting into a new season that is cold, and our skin is still just adjusting to our winter or season. So yeah, I would gladly appreciate it if you could just leave a comment section, like this video and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe if you haven't, and watch my previous videos. Yes, catch up and just watch my other videos, especially the ones that how can I put this, the ones that their topic is about skin. I'm a sucker for skin. I love taking care of my skin. And for your body, I almost forgot, for your body, please do also put glycerin in your lotions, just to like hydrate your skin. Just put glycerin in your lotions. Just buy a small bottle, pour all of it in your body lotions, and then just apply. So yes, thank you so much for tuning in. Till we meet again on another video. Bye.